Down, just about a half a step, okay? And toes slightly out, right there, okay? Now, weight and force is generated here, so I want your back to stay flat on that pad for me, okay?
Okay.
All right, here we go. Press on up. Up, up. There you go. All right, here we go. Drop down it. Oh, hold on. All right. Okay, you ready?
Yeah, what am I doing? Going all the way down?
Hold right here. Hold
Okay.
right here for me. All right, now just go into a squat for me.
What do I
Let
do
your
with my
knees
hands?
break out. Right there, and press. 1. And 2, good. Don't lock your knee, right back down. Good. Think about pushing the platform away. You're not lifting the sled. Push the platform away. Good. Perfect. Good. Control your body weight down. Control the sled down. There it is.
got
Press
beautiful
away.
legs.
Good. A little lower. Press. Good. Here we go. 3 more. 1. 2. Control. Press away. Good job. Rotate that bar forward. Perfect. Down.
Oh,
There you go.
okay. I get it. Oh. It's like riding a bike.
Yep. Push away for me. Good. Here.
There you go.
Here. Push here. Control. Don't fall into position.
There you
There
go,
you
Sarah.
go. Control. Good. Nice. Come on. Good. Let's work. Come on. I'm here. Keep it going. Good. Press. 3 more. 1. 2. Control. Push away. Good.
He keeps you guessing. That was 16, not 15.
Psych.
Yeah.
I feel like my whole vastus lateralis is like larger than normal.
Yeah, I don't know what that fucking meant, but I'm sure those two do.
Go slightly out. All right, remember, whenever the glutes sink down, your knee is going to track your foot, okay?
Okay.
Knee does not come inside.
Okay.
Knee comes slightly out or tracking the foot right here,
Okay. Got it.
All right. Yep.
Okay.
Here we go. Little lower. Work that range. Feel the range and press. Good. That's it. Good. All right. Eliminate that little pause at the top. Catch it right away. There you go. Catch it faster. Catch your body weight faster. Catch it. There we go. Good. Fight the load down. Press away. Good. Don't lift. Press away. Here we go. Down. Let's go. I got you.
Fucking fuck.
Let's go. Press. 3 more. Let's go. 1. Let's work. 2. Come on. Try. Good job, Nicole.
Hell yeah.
Hell yeah.
Sorry, Ro.
Ready, baby? Break the knee out slightly. Right there. Here we go.
Come on, Sarah.
That's it.
Oh, fuck.
Come on. 4. 5. Come on. 6. Let's go. Let's go. Heavy feet.
That's it. Let's
Heavy
go.
feet. I want to see that foot raise. Heavy feet. Push it away. Let's go. Push away. Good. Control down. Push. Good. 2 more. 2 more. Push.
Come on.
Good. 1 more. Drive. Good job. Toes slightly out for me, Nicole. Slightly out.
Turn my toes.
Yeah, just slightly out right there. Now break the knee out. Yep, and down.
Okay.
Let the glutes pull down. Let's go.
Oh, okay.
Let those glutes sink down in. Press the, yeah, there you go. Press the platform away. Come on. It's okay.
I like training with girls that actually fucking lift.
3. 4. Good. Take out that pause at the top. Down. That's it. Up. Right back down. Right back down. Good. Try to catch this weight as fast as you can. Good. Heavy feet. Heavy feet. All the weights in your feet. Let's go. Good. Come on. Let's work. Let's work. 3 more. Don't stop. Don't stop. Down. 2. Down. Down. Press.
Up.
Good job. Up.
I had to convince myself on that last one. Yeah, that's so much more like glute.
When the range is better, like you said, you've never done this?
Well, I've never done this machine, but I've never kind of paid attention to my feet and my knees at the same time.
Oh, yeah. But this machine, when it has more range, your glutes are on fire.
Yeah.
Right here is on
Yeah,
fire.
if we had about 6 more inches of range,
Man.
game changer.
Yeah, that's wild.
More control down. Don't fall into it. There it is. Push away. Down. Let's go.
That's
Press.
it.
That's it. Come on, it's supposed to be heavy. Let's go. Let's go. Drive up. Yep, right back down. Right back down. Right back down. No pausing. I got you. Press away. Good. Press away. Good. 2 more. 2 more. Press.
Come on.
Good. Last one. Drive.
Oh my God. Fuck. That's good shit.
Baby giraffe.
Yeah.
The heavier it gets, the stronger and more controlled we get. Does that make
Right.
sense?
Yeah.
Nothing falls into position. Nothing is rushed. We get slower, more controlled, and stronger. Okay?
Yeah.
All right. All right, toes out, toes out. Not too much, just slightly out. All right, break that knee slightly out. Just a little bit. Okay, all right, here we go. Get heavy feet for me. Press into that platform as hard as you can, okay? Nothing's up here. Here we go. Press. Good, press into the pad here. Press here, here. Press into it. There it is. Let's go, lower, lower. Yep, go. Good, good. Good. Press. Moving good. You're moving good. Let's go.
Oh yeah.
Let's go. Come on. Yes, 3 more. 3 more.
You got it, Cole.
Come on. 1. Press. 2. I got you. I got you. Let's go. Drive. Good. Right there. Okay. Just don't move. Don't move. Stay right there.
I hate it when he says don't move.
All right. Feet back in
You know
position.
more is fucking coming.
Here we go. Here we go. All right.
Ready?
Left foot out a little bit. Left foot out just a hair. Just right there, right there. Here we go. 1. 2. 3. 4. Control down, Nicole. Control. Up. Good. Come on. Come on. Get strong. Get strong. That's what I mean right here. Get strong
Oh
for
my
me.
God.
Let's go. Let's go. Come on.
Got it.
Come on. We're here to work. Let's go. Come on. We're putting you back on stage. Let's go. Come on. 3 more. 3 more. Don't stop. 1. Grind it out. 2. Press. Good job.
I'm gonna have nightmares about that set.
Okay. Yep, all day. Let's go. 2. 3. Yes, moving good. 4. Come on.
Come on.
5. Let's go. 6.
Come on.
7. Come on.
Oh my God.
Fucking go.
Come on. 8. Control down. Control. Press. Good. Control right now. Drive. Good. Right. All right, here we go.
I got dizzy, babe.
Come on.
Fucking have a bad habit of holding my breath.
I know.
Yes, you do.
I do the same thing.
Get tight here. Get tight. Get tight.
I'm tight.
Good. Hips into the pad right here. Come on. Break that knee out slightly. Yep. Let's go. 2, 3, 4.
That's it.
Don't fall down. Don't fall into position. Let's go. Come on. Control every rep. Let's go. Master it. Let's go. Come on. Press. Good. Come on. 3 more. 3 more. 1. Breathe. 2. 1 more. Heavy feet. Heavy feet. Don't move those feet. Press.
Yes.
Good.
Oh my God.
Ready to catch you.
Oh my God.
You're at least used to this, I think, maybe.
No, you just don't fucking get used to it.
You just don't fucking
You
get used
just
to
don't.
it. Oh,
It's nice having somebody else here too.
I'm sure you get a little bit of a
Another
break.
chick. No,
Not even that, but like pushing.
no, actually, no. When I'm training with another chick, when he's training both of us, it's back to back. I
Yeah.
get longer rest periods when I'm by myself.
Yeah, oh, okay. Oh, yeah, okay, I get it.
Yeah. She's like, I got it, yeah.
The brain has left the body.